Hello students, similarity video number 16. Okay, we are solving practice set 1.3. Yes, we'll go to question number 7, page number 22. Yes, so for the question, we'll refer the textbook. Is question number 7, page 22. Okay, now see here, what is the question? Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD, this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Point E is on side BC. Okay, then line DE, this line DE intersects ray AB in point T. Then to prove, what to prove? DE into BE is equals to CE, this CE into TE. This result we have to prove. So see here it is the figure. Is what is given just now we have seen. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Point E is on side BC. Okay, line DE intersects ray AB in point T. We have to prove, what to prove? DE into BE is equals to CE into TE. So these and these are the sides of these two triangles. So to get this result, we will prove these two triangles are similar, and then corresponding sides will be in proportion and we will get the result. Now see here, side AB, this AB is parallel to side DC. It means these AB and DC are parallel. Then this line, this is the transversal. Which one? Segment TD. This TD is the transversal. So what we get? Angle BTE, this angle is congruent to angle CDE, this angle. Reason for this, alternate angles. See here, AB is parallel to DC, TD is the transversal. So this angle and this angle are the alternate angles. So they are congruent. Result number 1. Reason for these alternate angles. Now pay attention. In triangle BTE, this triangle, and triangle CDE, this triangle, is what we are having. Angle BTE, this angle is congruent to angle CDE, this angle. This is from 1. Now pay attention. Angle BET, this angle is congruent to angle CED, this angle. Reason for this, vertically opposite angles. So pay attention. Therefore, triangle BTE and triangle CDE are similar to each other. They are similar triangles. Reason for this, angle test for similarity. As triangles are similar, corresponding sides are in proportion. Means what? BT upon CD is equals to TE upon DE is equals to BE upon CE. Here it is that result. Corresponding sides are in proportion. What we have to show? DE into BE. See here it is DE, here it is DE, here it is BE. This is required. So this ratio will not consider. So this is equal to this. That is written here. And now cross multiply. CE into TE is equals to DE into BE. Because of the cross multiplication, we get this result. And we write the result that we have to prove in standard form. That is DE into BE is equals to CE into DE. The result is proved. So read the problem carefully and go through the solution. Now we will move to question number 9, page number 22. Yes. So let us see the textbook. Here it is the question number 9. Now pay attention what is given. In the figure, in triangle ABC, point D is on side BC such that how angle BAC, this angle is equals to angle ADC, this is given to us. Then what to prove? CA square, this CA square is equals to this CB into this CD. Now pay attention. CB is the side of big triangle. This CA is the side of big triangle also, and this small triangle also. And CD is the side of this triangle. So to get the result, we have to show, what to show? Triangle BAC is similar to triangle ADC. The big one and this triangle are similar, that we have to show. So we'll go to the solution or proof. Here it is the figure that we have seen just now, described, given. In triangle ABC, point D is on side BC, angle BAC, this angle is congruent to angle ADC, this one. To prove CA square is equals to this CB into CD. This result we have to prove. We'll go for the proof. In triangle ADC, this triangle, and triangle BAC, this triangle, what we are having? This angle ADC is congruent to angle BAC. Here it is the result. This is given. Now pay attention. Angle C is the angle of big triangle. Also it is the angle of this small triangle. So C is the common angle. So see here, angle ACD, this angle is congruent to angle BCA, this angle. Here it is. We have to consider the correspondence. So BCE. Okay, now triangle ADC is similar to triangle BAC. These two triangles are similar is because of angle test for similarity of triangles. As triangles are similar, corresponding sides are in proportion. So AD upon BA, here it is equals to DC upon AC, here it is equals to AC upon BC, here it is. Now pay attention. We have to show CA square is equals to CA square. So here it is AC, here it is AC, means CA is here. So this part is required, this ratio is not required. So we get this is equal to this. Here it is the result. And now cross multiply. BC into DC is equals to AC into AC square. So that is AC square is equals to CB into CD, or you can say AC square is what? CA square. So CA square is equals to CB into CD. The result is proved. For the remaining problems you have to try is, then students, you can call me on this number. Is if you need the help, you can call me at anytime. Okay, so watch the videos carefully. Yes, listen them carefully, refer the textbook and upgrade yourself. Don't forget, self-study has great importance. It is the very important factor in your study. You have to do is self-study. You can prepare yourself with the help of teachers. Okay.